पणजे मार्केटात जावपी बुरशेपणाक लागून पणजे महानगरपालिकेन पणजे मार्केटात 200 सीसीटीव्ही बसोवपाचो निर्णय घेतला। 25 ते 30 लाख खर्च करून मार्केटात सीसीटीव्ही बसोवपाचो प्रस्ताव आसा। नोव्हेंबर म्हयन्या मेरेन पुराय मार्केटात कॅमेरा बसोवन जातले। फुडल्या 15 दिसां भितर कंत्राटाची प्रक्रिया पुराय जातली अशी माहिती पणजे महापालिकेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी दिल्या। आर्टेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
CCP is in the process of installing around 200 CCTV cameras in the Panjim market, because every time we paint inside the market, the next is somebody is spitting pan and the market is becoming in a very bad shape. There are vendors throwing garbage in different places. That's why we have the corporation in the standing committee has proposed for 200 CCTV cameras. The process is on. The tender forms and whatever is required is on the process. It will take around 15-20 days. The moment everything is ready, the commissioner will tender for the CCTV cameras. I think it's around 30 lakhs, 25 to 30 lakhs. We will go for the best.
Different name was that?
Yes.